Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na Luchingduna Khongjom gi kheba chingda leiba athouba singi khuvamda heikat leikat tamduna state ki thakta Ikai Khumnaba Utpaga Loinana Khongjom de ki Thouram Pangthokhre ayuk pung mapan rum taba dwaida kheba chingda leiba athouba singi khuvamda Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na Luchingduna heikat leikat tamba hokhe madugi matung ahanba Manipur Rifles ke contingent amana Guard of Honor General Salute Reverse Arms amadi last post khonglaba matung minute ani tumina leplaga Utpaga Loinana slope arms amasung order arms piduna Khongjom gi lanfamda thawaina pontha pikraba athouba singi mafamda Ikai Khumnaba Utke Thouram adu loiraba matung mafam aduda leiba pauna brajavasi gi mitamda Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na Luchingduna makata na leisu Utpaga Loinana Guard of Honor amasung General Salute piduna Ikai Khumnaba Utke tungda kheba chingi nakalda cheliba Khongjom turelda leikidraba athouba singi mafamda tarpan katlaba matung mafam aduda pangthokpa Sankirtan ki Thouramda sarukya ke makatana Khongjom War Memorial Complex ke lampakta Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla amade Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh na mathang sitna Chief Guest amade President oiduna Khongjom la ningsing numit ke mapung oiba Thouram pangthokhe
Today in Manipur we are commemorating Khongjom Day, which has changed the course of history in Manipur. This day, the 23rd of April, is a tribute to those brave sons of Manipur who had sacrificed their lives in the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891. The battle of 1891 still echoes in the heart of every Manipuri, with a pride that Manipur fought a war against the mighty colonial power. Despite the predictable defeat, the brave warriors of Manipur fought back relentlessly against the British Empire for their independence. Over the past months, efforts have been undertaken to restore a sense of normalcy, ensuring that Manipur moves forward on the path of peace, stability, and inclusive development. Recognizing the need for a secure and harmonious environment, steps have been taken to encourage dialogue between communities, foster trust, and reinforce public confidence in governance.